Welcome to Creative Bath Lab. Today I'm giving you guys a studio tour. It's a very, very small studio, but I'm gonna give it to you. Let's go. I'm going to show you every square inch of my studio. Everything is very organized, and that's not because I'm a clean freak or even an organized person. It's because when you have a lot of stuff, you have to be organized in order to find anything. I made mini bottles of most of my fragrances that I keep on my cart because kneeling down here and looking for a fragrance is a big hassle. The pantry is mostly filled with bowls and props that I use for videos and for taking thumbnail pictures. I purchased everything I need to make cold process soap, and it's just been sitting there in the silver bin ever since. This is a mobile island where I keep my most used items. This cart is a favorite of mine. Anytime I make anything, I wheel it over to the island to have easy access to utensils, pipettes, and fragrances. I purchased a big dehumidifier. It's amazing. It fills the bucket to the brim every 3 days. I've been saving items for a giveaway to celebrate 10,000 subscribers. Okay, y'all are gonna think that I'm crazy or that I have a major spending problem, but for 10 years all I did was make candles. I was obsessed with candles and candle making. I even sold them. And in that decade I ordered materials I would have actually used had I not switched to DIY bath items. So now all of my candle stuff is in this lonely, dark closet. I'm sure people who know me best are wondering why I haven't done a candle tutorial yet, but it's coming. seeing how I bought bags for my bags, I realized I actually might have a spending problem and I will consider getting help. I know what you're thinking, because I'm thinking the same thing, but I just don't feel like the set is complete until you have all the colors. This is my computer. I keep everything in here like recipes, ideas, and my current tutorial to-do list. Believe it or not, this list has been narrowed down dramatically in order to stay focused on just a select few. Today I'm going to give you guys I'm going to give you a studio tour